Yes, all right. I do it my way. I do it my way. Yes, my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I'm here to introduce to you this protective hairstyle for kids. Yes, this is going to be natural tangle, and I'd like you guys to give me your time so that we can do this together. You know how hard it is to play it, kids, but this time around, just give me your times and I show you my tricks on how I manage to play it as a kid. So my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I work at Hair by Clippers. Yes, that is my salon. You can go and follow it on Facebook, Hair by Clippers, Instagram, Hair by Clippers, and if you'd like to follow my personal page that is on Instagram, it is Maurice the Crochet Master. Please, you can do that so that we get in touch. I like friends, I like sharing ideas. Yes, come follow me so that, if indeed you really love the work that I do. Yes, and please still make it a point by clicking on that red button, ring the bell to subscribe on this channel, because I upload videos every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So today this is our natural tangle, and what I can talk about this hairstyle is that it is too soft for the kid, and it lasts longer since it is with a kinky. I realize there are some people who always ask me about the material that I always use, and most of the time I say them here in the videos showing telling you that this is Afro Kinky. In fact, even if you go on Google, search for Afro Kinky Darling, you'll be seeing it is for the Darling company. So now this is how we're going to be doing the natural tangle. We always want to separate it into these three portions, and I told you nowadays we no longer do the other long ego twist. Then I try to spray some to moisturize it so that I can put my gel very well. And you know the importance of gel to those ones who have been watching all my videos. I do that to collect all the hair together, and this is what I'm trying to do here. Then I try to tie this into three portions. I bring it here and I make sure that I plait it that way. And this method is that I plait this method. I use this method in that whenever I'm plaiting like this, I be using the inside knotless. Yes, so it means I'll be using the inside knotless, and I've been telling you that inside knotless is very nice in that it can whenever it is growing, it grows from inside. So it's going to take a big quite at least some good time when the hair is not growing like when we use these the updo knotless. So I want you guys to learn this method, and you will be able to do all these kind of hairstyles. So let's take a look here on how you can do it, mostly especially in front. Yes, whenever you're plaiting these kids, please try to make sure, it is very important, these baby hair, to always remove them, because when you're using a gel, it might collect all, even the baby hair together, and once you plait it with the baby hair, it won't be nice for her. Yes, it might bring the painful. So this is my a kinky that I use, very soft for the kid, and it can hold firm the hair. So I bring it like this. I make sure that I plait it into these into these knotless, the inside knotless, that you can see how I'm doing it, and I make sure it is not painful at all, because you know our kids, how they're supposed to be plaited, it's not like the way we're supposed to plait adult. So there's that simple stretch that you do that favors her not to be in that pain. And trust me, when I'm plaiting kids, there's that feel that I be feeling that at least I cannot hurt her, because I've been doing this for my daughter, and yes, I've learned a lot or the lot of experience. So you see how it is inside, in a sense it's inside. Let's just take a look on this one, and still you can see it clearly how I do it. After separating this into 3 portions, I just bring this, I put this on this side, you see, and then I put it here. I make sure that I bring this here inside, and then I bring this here. Yes, I bring this here like that. You understand what I'm trying to say? And then you just have to keep on doing that. And to those ones who may want to learn all these, you just have to click on that red button so that you keep on watching all those moves that I be doing, because we no longer do the other twist. In that, for it, there is that strain it used to do, and that will make maybe the twist to be painful. So when we start it this way, it becomes protective. Like those ones who have ever tried the knotless braids, you know that feel that you always feel, that painless feel. It's the same thing here, in that when you're using the kinky, still should also use that method, because it is very nice. I just try to do this, and when you try to look at it, this one is from inside. It's from inside. I will always repeat that, because this is different from what we have been doing. This is different from what we've been doing. It means I first do my research to see what can be done, and what is that is more protective for these kids. Yes, because they like hair, and we also want to plait our kids so that they can look good. You know what I always wonder is that sometimes we fear plaiting threads because they are painful. Like the adults, we fear plaiting threads because they are painful, but you find some people plaiting them to their kids. So it means, what is that? Don't you think that even the kids is the same thing? So it means kinky is also very, very nice, because now I had like some other people fear plaiting kinky, thinking it's painful, it breaks hair, but it's not true. Me, I believe all hairstyles can break hair, but as long as it's plaited nicely. Because I've ever found people saying that I cannot plait crochet because they break my hair, and I'm doing now weaves, and those ones who say I can't do weaves because they break my hair. I'll be doing crochet. So it means all styles can break hair, but it depends on how they do them. So I would like you guys to make sure that you get this method well, and you start doing it, because trust me, it is very, very nice and lovely. And the twisting is always the same as you're going to be seeing. Yes, the twisting is always the same, and you have to make sure that indeed you do it as soft as possible. And another thing is, whenever we're plaiting kids, there are those things we are not supposed to do. Yes, there are those things we're not supposed to do. We're not supposed to overpack them like they will always do the adults. You have to leave that space for them, because they play a lot and they sweat a lot. So if it's overpacked, it means if the kid is sweating, it will bring to the itching. You understand? Yeah, the oil won't be the blood vessels won't be getting enough oxygen, yes, for the hair. So now you have to make sure at least you space for them, so that the hair can breathe and get enough oxygen. So for now, guys, let me sign out by just know my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. I love you so much, and please go and follow my page, that is Maurice the Crochet Master, on Instagram, and still my salon, that is Hair by Clippers on Facebook, Hair by Clippers on Instagram, Hair by Clippers on Twitter, so that we can keep in touch. For now, let me sign out. Bye bye. May God bless you.